Isoko wadzo Uwuhrẹ waize wajuma Uwuhrẹ ewarejo. Numero no numeru okiedze ori anomaruba arweri ota yevetina numegolo mamuono eriari evre. Eriarie is knowledge. Arege sense. Ozigi riot. Dana Owere a farmer. Okpako an elder. Uwuhrẹ kingship. Emu back. Emu back. Emu food. It's the same spelling but have different meaning and little bit different pronunciation. Emu back. Emu food. Arrow front. Obaro forward. Obemu backward or backyard, whatever. Same thing. And then Emioyo obedient. Emioyo obedient. Okay. Eya sickness. Ugbehe wall. Ukoko association or gathering. Okay. Eyeruwo properties. Alright, then Akpa. No, you are not this Akpa. Akpa is bet. That bet when men take the bet their trouser is called Akpa. That is not Umweku. Umweku is different. Akpa is bets. Then Umweku hayo egbe. Now that one when women they tie their arapa when they put money. Now that one egbe hayo Umweku. Then Okpa. Two different things. The other one are Akpa bets. This one are Okpa. Okpa, whatever Mare might say. Omokpa. Omokpa, that is towel. Omokpa. Osu leader. Iswesu leadership. Usioma gospel or good news. Usioma gospel. Usioma good news. Eta trap. Uwuhrẹ shadow. Emema image. Awomemaro Uwuhrẹ mai evo ona na kuo ibaitene. Efagbere muta. Ole wafiobo comment. Galu ona comment we like it. Follow my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. Everywhere. You can also join my WhatsApp group if you are interested. Write me, I will add you to my WhatsApp group. Please support me in any way you can. Support me and promote me, please do. As God bless you. Thank you. Isoko Wado.